as we've been doing this for years, we take it for granted of how much we know and new people don't know. So we just wanted to share a bit of information. Most jet skis will come with a basic toolkit. You might want to check your toolkit if you've got something as simple as a screwdriver or an Allen key to tighten up your battery terminal, because that could be all it is to be the difference of a very inconvenient labour of 5 hours run home. Probably all of the keys in the water, okay? If you've got them on a floater, you're going to find them a lot easier, but David uses a lanyard around his neck. Really simple thing, going to make the day a lot better if you're feeling a bit clumsy one day when you're rushing. If we're in a situation like this where your beach, it's not so much safety, it's more maintenance, where you've got the lane. Washing up against the beach here, there's shells and seaweed going straight up your jet pump. So when you put it in the water, just take it out to knee deep water, get on that weird platform, just shake it up and down quite aggressively, and it'll wash all your shells out and so forth, okay? Don't do that. The moment you start your engine, it's just going to come straight through it, either damage your propeller or lock up the jet pump, okay? Everybody here knows how to shut off their ski if they need to get towed. You might have seen the video that we put up with the Sea-Doos. The Yamaha isn't much harder, it's just down a lot lower. If you're unsure, ask me when it's your skis out of the water. We found that crouching while you're riding is a lot better than sitting on your seat in those rougher conditions. Using your legs as a suspension, you might, when you're in the water, how well are you going to see it? Okay? This is a test for you today to see if you're wearing the appropriate clothing and how well you are once you get out of the water. You might get out of the water in 2 minutes today, but a bad day on the water, it might be an hour, you know, and that can be all the difference for survival out there. Get a little bit of bilge pumps, when we get established, I suspected that your bilge pump doesn't actually work from factory while you're just sitting out there fishing without your key off, okay? So if you haven't got your lungs in, your ski is going to fill up and it will fill above the battery levels more than likely, and you're in a lot of trouble trying to get back through out in a hurry. Unless you've got a bailer, you're not going to get it down, or your ski just being very friendly to start full of water. Yeah, so you've got to consider all these factors, okay? When you're heading out here, what we're going to do is you're going to go for a run just up to this market here, run back to your ski. There's no race out to there, but you're going to go out to the Sea-Doo GDX that's got Pete and Darren sitting out by this first red buoy here to the right of it. You're going to pull up beside it at your convenience. Basically, once you feel you're not pressured, you'll prepare yourself to jump in the water, okay? You can actually circumnavigate your whole ski whichever way you want, clockwise, anti-clockwise, swim around it, okay? Might be a little bit more difficult than some of you think. Then try and board the ski. If you're unsure on how to board the ski, if you've never thought about this situation, maybe ask one of those committee members before you leave the beach. I would suggest, in my scenarios that I've tried it, if you've got the upper body strength, try and get up straight up on the side of the ski, okay? Just grab the handlebars and give a swift push with your feet and just try and get your bum into the footwell. That's all you've got to try and do. Once you're on your bum's in the footwell, it's very easy to get on the ski, okay? To pull yourself upwards. Some people will go down the track if their chili bin's removable. They'll actually try and remove their chili bin from the fishing kit. That's quite awkward because if you detach from your ski, you're going to drift away from your ski while that's all happening. Then you've got to use your physical strength to swim back to it. If you try and just use your boarding ladder to get back on, you're welcome to try it. It is quite awkward when you don't have the foot leverage to stand off the beach to put onto your boarding ladder. You can really only use your knee to get up, but you've got to climb over the chili bin. So see what works for you, have a go at it. It'll really increase your confidence, and then if you can't get back up on the ski, we can't expect everyone is going to be able to do it. There will be scenarios to actually work out so you can be rescued if you're unable to get back on your ski. So it'll be a case of staying with your ski, and then hopefully you've got a cell phone and a dry bag, or you've got a VHF or personal location to take in you. So these are all the scenarios to think about that you need to be aware of in case that unfortunate you do come off your ski. So is everybody comfortable with that, able to do